Hello and happy Wednesday, everyone. Welcome to this week's episode of 2 Minutes Remaining with Coach Holzer. Well, we finished up our fitness testing for the first round for our third and fourth graders, and we moved on back to more activities. This week, we've been starting off our activities, a game called Frogger, which the K through 2 kids have done, as well as Ultimate Rock, Paper, Scissors. Now, in Ultimate Rock, Paper, Scissors, we lay out hula hoops in a track, or if you will, in a path, and there's 2 teams on each side. And they got to get closer and closer and closer until they meet in the middle. Then they do rock, paper, scissors. And whichever team wins, they keep going towards the other side, trying to get to the other end. And it's so simple of a game, but it gets the kids so excited. There's anticipation, there's teamwork, there's strategy, there's thought. So a lot of this has to do with, again, having them to make choices, having them think clearly, and then again, work as a team. So much more than just games happening in PE class, but we try to make it as fun as possible. Because why? Well, that's what kids are wired for, is to simply have fun. Now, throughout the rest of this week, what we're doing is Pick Your Activity Day. And why we do Pick Your Activity Day is so I can learn what kids are truly interested in. They have the power of choice. I give them options. They get to choose to stay with it, pick an activity. Now, they have to stay with that activity for a length of 2 songs. Then after 2 songs, they can choose to stay or they can choose to pick a different activity, but they must put away what they got out in order to go somewhere else. This helps build responsibility, but also, again, allows them to move to different things. But again, it goes back to the power of having to make a choice. And when they make that choice, they have to stick with that choice until it is finished out of the 2 songs. Having them stick with their decision and make them understand that their decision is what they chose. So that was this week's edition. Hope you all have a great week. And by the way, go Cardinals. Woo!